Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram CSRF token missing or incorrect error. First thing you want to do guys is open the settings on your phone. And now, open the apps manager. And go to apps like this. And now on this page, you have to wait for a few seconds and it will start loading. All the apps that you have on your phone, scroll until you find the Instagram. Click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. And after that, go back and click on the data usage and make sure all the data access is enabled like this. And go back, click on the first stop, and now open the Play Store. Search for Instagram and check if there is a new update. If you have a new update, click on it. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.